What's up guys, it's your girl Madison here from Maddie's Collection. For all my crafters here, welcome back to the channel. So we got another yarn haul unboxing video today. And it's September, the 4th month of September, y'all. Next month will be October, and I'm gonna do something big for next month on this channel. Maybe do like Halloween tutorials, like maybe all that kind of stuff. But y'all, I'm so excited, all that kind of stuff. And who knows, it is a crafting season for today. All the vibes and craziness it's around 10 p.m. here, so, and it is September 4th, so this video might be posted later this week. All that kind of stuff. I will put the PS on the date of that on this video when it's published. So y'all, today we're doing an unboxing again. I really like these haul unboxing or yarn stuff because y'all, I got yarn right here, all that kind of stuff. I got my hat I made, a peel, all that kind of stuff. But y'all, so yeah, so I went to Hobby Lobby on August 30th because it was a Saturday and like yesterday. So usually, and Sundays Hobby Lobby closed on Sundays. So I don't know why, because one time I tried to go to Hobby Lobby on Sunday after when I got off work and found out they had signs to close. Like, what? So it was real, so I like, screw it, gotta go at the end of August, y'all. And it was intense. Yeah, it was intense. So yeah, unboxing. So things I love this yarn, and it's the navy, because I do have an extra navy blue yarn. So because I'm gonna loom knit a hat for one of my co-workers' husband, who is currently starting his chemo treatment. So yeah, I asked one of my co-workers that I can make, if I can loom knit her husband a hat, and asked what his favorite color was. He likes blue, navy blue, so I had to get 2 navy blues. I had one, and now I have this one. So it's real, but we got this navy blue. I love this yarn. We got 2 other ones. So this is I Love Nails Again yarn, and it is sun gold. Ooh, I don't believe I had this sun gold before, but this is gonna be interesting. I really like this. It's like crazy, and I can like do this from crocheting, loom, knitting, all that kind of stuff as well, and knitting. But I really like this. It looks so good and crazy. I love this brand. It's looking good. Then we have a third I Love Nails yarn, and it is Spa. Man, this is so it's like a greenish, grayish color, but you guys can't tell because my light is real, so you guys can't tell. But this yarn looks so good. I really like this, but it looks so amazing. Just be good. And then I can crochet this or knit this or knitting for this, because I really like to go back to knitting. You know, I did try it for a long time ago. Never again, y'all. And I got me a crochet hook kit. So this it's a kit. 9 crochet hooks, a pair of spines, measuring tape, and a case. y'all, I think my first crochet project would be a Pokeball, because my niece been wanted me to make her a Pokeball, so hey, I really like the measuring tape. I can figure out the lace in the case. Pale of snipes. Well, yeah. But yeah, this, I really like this. When I saw this, it was like, oh, give me it. It is. You know, this was $12.99. It was $12.99. Oh, and so I got these jewelry Shopee's like a thing, and these are good for measuring, like, for, I guess, like, to see what your stopping point of a, if you want to know will you stall it on like crocheting or loom knitting or knitting. I can just use this to stop where I was at. So when I saw these, I like, oh, I need these because it will help me get better of my projects I want to do on this. And it is, y'all, if you go to Hobby Lobby and get these, I recommend it. I never tried this, but this will be my first time trying them. And y'all, last thing, I got more earring things for Loom, for making more earrings. So because I'm almost out of these, so I had to like, oh, we need to get new ones, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I got more like, so I got more nickel free. I think the nickel free earrings. Fish hooks, short fish hooks, Yual. It says a white veil. I can't, you guys, it is small. But yeah, I really like this. It looks so good and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much for the yarn haul for this. But who knows? All that kind of stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys more of my yarn haul videos, all that kind of stuff. And if you guys want to support the channel, I will give you guys a goal on this channel. If we hit 50 subscribers on this channel, 50 or 100 subscribers, I will go ballistic if you hit this goal, because I've been so busy working on my main YouTube channel, my gaming channel, all that kind of stuff, and it is crazy. And I still don't know what's the category for crafting on the channel. Right now I have it to how to in styles, but you guys tell me what's the category for crafting. All that kind of stuff. Just leave comments below. Tell me what's the category for crafting videos, because I'm still trying to get into this and it is crazy. And yeah, also, if I did say in the last video, if you guys want me to do a first ever how-to tutorial video, leave comments down below and I will do a easy video of making the earrings that I made from loom knitting. If you guys want me to do that, I will do it if we hit 50 subs or 100 subs on this channel. But y'all, I just wanted to show you guys my haul for this video. If you guys have not, please subscribe to the channel and become part of the crafting family today. If you guys have not, make sure you like this video. All the loves and support. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell too, so you guys won't miss any videos from me and all that kind of stuff. Also, make sure you follow me on TikTok, like my Facebook page, and go to my eBay page because I am selling my stuff on eBay. So make sure you check them out. All that kind of stuff. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys in the next crafting video. Bye guys!